And then in my beach bag for activities, I like to have, like if I'm going with my family, so for my brothers, and like a ball, cards, a colouring book for me. Then I have like creams and sun creams. Then I have an emergency kit, and then I'll show you that later. Then I got 2 picnic blankets, a travel pillow blanket, a hat, tanning sunglasses, meaning they're like super small so you can tan the rest of your face, and then a spare change of clothes, and this is my beach bag. So yeah. I forgot to say, you can't see it, but I have a beach towel. It's like one of the microfiber ones. This is the packed up boot. So my beach bag, the picnic blanket, everyone's brought their own pillows. Tea, watermelon, food, my dad's rucksack, whoever else has a beach bag. I've got my big water bottle. Tanning oil sunscreen on.
Look at the foot room. Look at the leg room.
Oh, lovely.
I can extend.
Went for your dip.
Water was very, very calm. Very salty, but expected. Very nice. Refreshing. Good temperature. It's kind of like an ice bath when you first go in. But when you come out, it's like a warm bath. Not really sure how that works.
That's so interesting. Jasmine. Clacton. This is where we're stationed. I'm done.
Only a tiny bit, not much at all.
That was still hard,
I'll be happy with like some egg and toast.
Yeah, I know.
Play it, play it.
So I've got my like beach towel thingy wrapped around my neck, tucked into a sweatshirt, and I think we're gonna go home in a second. But we were on like the far side. We set up camp on like the far side of Clacton. I'm just walking back from the toilet now. So have to like pass the Toby Carvery, past the like sheds, and then there's the toilet. So it is like quite a fair bit of a walk. I would say like 5 minutes there, 5 minutes back. My dad and Z dipped in the sea, and then we all ate lunch, and then my dad, Z and Jasmine went back in the sea. All this time I'm like napping and tanning, and then we all had like a cup of tea and biscuits, and basically they just played around with the little pool. And I have actually just been tanning and napping all day. I brought a colouring book and I brought cards, but I didn't even play with them because I was just trying to